Now I invite Dr. V.M. Arulflar Mary, Associate Professor and Head of our department, to welcome the gathering and introduce the resource person.
My cordial welcome to the faculty members and students of the Mathematics Department, both aided and SF. It is my pleasant duty to introduce and welcome today's resource person, Mrs. Frida Roy. She is a postgraduate in computer engineering and worked as a teaching faculty in Chennai-based engineering colleges for a few years. She is a multi-talented, responsible and sociable person who has become an young entrepreneur in fine arts. She is a right person to motivate youngsters to become entrepreneurs, not only in their main specialized areas, but also in various other fields. She will tell you how, from being an computer engineer, she switched on to this field of fine arts. On behalf of myself and all the participants, I extend a very warm welcome to her. I also welcome each one of the faculty and also the students present here and wish everyone a very useful and colorful session ahead. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's my honor and pleasure to invite our resource person, Engineer S. Mary Dominic Frida, Proprietor, Pearl Art Drawing School, Besant Nagar, Chennai, to take over the session.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone, once again. So before I begin with the program, I'll extend my sincere thanks to the college management and the institutional innovation cell and the Department of Mathematics for giving me this wonderful opportunity to conduct this program through this online. I thank the department head for the nice words of a welcome. So today I would say you that how I became an entrepreneur of fine arts from being a computer engineer. I would like to motivate each and every one of you here, okay? So you can be feel to ask me any doubts, whatever you have regarding to an entrepreneur, right? And how I started, I'll let you know. So it's all about passion only. So passion is nothing but doing something what we love so much, right? Yes, I loved painting so much, even from my childhood. Right away from the childhood, I started grabbing each and every opportunity that was given to me, even starting from the school board, right? We used to draw pictures from the school board. So right from there, I started my drawing. I was so much close towards drawing, but it happened only till my 12th standard, as we girls are always into degree courses or professional course. So my members in the house also motivated me to do degree courses only, professional work. So I went into masters in engineering. As days were rolling on, I completed my master's engineering, and one day it happened, I got a job in one of the topmost college of engineering in Chennai, and I was working there. And one fine day, as all we girls do, what happens? We get married, yes, to a handsome man again, which is the happiest moment in all of our life as girls, as we are girls. Yes, I got married, finally got with two kids, two beautiful kids I got. And that was the day when I changed my life, which turned my life to an entrepreneur into fine arts. So that day I was into a pressure that I couldn't go for job, running early morning 6, waking up, running back, coming back at 6, looking after the kids, all those things. As a girl, as a housewife, I have to carry on everything. So that place made me to think something different with my passion. So that place, I turned myself as an entrepreneur, starting my classes for kids first. So what I did was I started with teaching because I love teaching so much and I was also into the teaching job. So I started with teaching. So you can also do teaching with drawing, and also not only teaching is there. Since I was interested in drawing, I went into teaching passion, okay? So with drawing, you can do a lot more. I'll demonstrate few of my specializations, which I have done. And I'll also show you how to go through with all these specializations. Okay, so to say about drawing, first one, the best one I'll say is sand tool painting. Okay, Tancho painting is something very, very valuable and the most wanted thing painting in Chennai and all over India, not over in India, maybe it is in international wide. Okay, so each and every paint in that goes for around minimum 25,000 rupees. If you get into an Tancho painting work, it will require at least 1 month or 2 months to get practiced with Tancho painting, but still once the picture is done with Tancho painting, you can go with selling price of minimum 25,000 rupees, which will earn you a reasonable money for the work what you have done. Okay, this is the main thing with painting, the most beautiful thing in painting, Tancho painting. Next, I would like to say about canvas painting. Canvas painting is something more creative, which you all will love it. You all can grab it easily. Most of you must have known already about drawing, right? So those kids, those children will be knowing that. So what you can do, canvas painting, you have lots of options over there. Nowadays, we have got sheets also in canvas. It is very, very reasonable rate. So you don't want to put so much of money here. In this drawing, you don't want to put full money. You don't want to invest so much to get an output. You less investment, it's more output. That's what we all love to do. So the only thing required is your skills. So how you put your skills, how you put your creative ideas, how you bring it innovatively, that is the main thing about canvas painting. Okay, it requires maybe when you study, learn as a learner, it may be 1 or 2 days you can pick up. It is not that much stuff and all. It is not that much stuff. You can pick up in 1 or 2 days for natural canvas painting. Okay. If you want to do a portrait with canvas, portrait means drawing a face, drawing a still art, like that. Okay. If you want to draw a still art, drawing a face, no, it goes for a minimum of 10,000 rupees for a single picture in Chennai even. Even in Chennai, it happens. So I can help you everyone to do canvas painting. I'll show you the basic idea of how we start with a simple work, simple job. To start with a simple business, I can help you. Today, as the limited time is given for me, I'll show you how to start with the canvas board. What are the options we have with canvas board to paint with? Okay, and then the next one is what you all will be able to do is fabric painting. Fabric painting is nothing but dress painting. How we paint our dress, how we design our dress. So our own creativity lies over there, right? So you can design your own dress. You can stitch. See, many of the girls will be stitching dresses. Same like that. You can stitch. You can design your dress. You can design, customize the pillows, bed sheets, like that. Everything we can do. Even in online, you can see many customized pillows. You can gift your lovable ones with your customized dresses, customized pillow covers, customized bed sheets, like that you can do. Customized cups, everything we can do. For that, we have to go with fabric painting. So customized pillows and all, now you see it will be a small pillow, right? But still it costs minimum 500 rupees if it is customized. Even I have done a lot of customized work. I would like to show you at the end of the program, okay? So those kind of work will yield you a lot of money, lot more. And with your own creativity, it should be all about your creativity, how you create with different unique ideas. Okay, so not to extend more, I'll start with the demonstrative class first. And when I demonstrate the class, I'll tell you more ideas about the painting and the works that I do and how you could use it and how you could sell it, how you can you yourself can become an entrepreneur, right? So one thing you have to keep in mind for being an entrepreneur, one thing I would like to say, be focused in what you're going to do here all the time. Be consistent, okay? Be consistent. Don't lose your heart. Every time, whatever you do, believe in that what you are doing is perfect and correct. That's it. That will help you to go a long way. So we'll start now with the demonstrative section. So I'll move my camera to the demonstrative section. Yes? So hope you can all see the video. Now here is the place where I'm going to demonstrate you certain things about canvas painting. You can also make a note of it. You see now, I don't know how many of you are aware about this canvas board. We get canvas board. Before and all in old days, we don't get all those things ready-made. We used to make it. When I was learning, when I started with, you used to make the canvas board, then only we can use. But now we are able to get canvas boards like this. Okay, so ready-made boards, we are able to get it. And also the one of the cheapest thing that they have introduced is canvas sheets. See, we get sheets over like this. We get canvas sheets like notebook, which is very much cheap. About 15 sheets is only just 200 rupees here. Okay, just 200 rupees, about 15 sheets, where you can draw 15 different pictures and sell it for more than 15,000 rupees. Okay, 15 different pictures, you can sell it more than 15,000 rupees and you can earn a lot with that. It is not that only if you know drawing, you can come into this. No, if you are really interested in drawing, you can do each and every part what I'm going to demonstrate today. Okay, so that I have chosen in such a way that each and every girl who's there, each and every student who's there can become an entrepreneur right from today even, if you are really interested in drawing. Got it? So today I'll just show you first a canvas sheet painting. See, it will be like this only. You can remove the sheet from the notebook. It will be like a notebook. You can just remove it from the notebook like this. Okay, you can remove it and place it. Okay, and since we have a very less time, I have just made a picture over it and I'll just show you how to color it and go through it very quickly in a short time with a beautiful picture. Yes, already I have just put the outline since we have a less time to move on. So now we'll start with coloring. See, we get acrylic colors like this. Hope some of you must have known this. Acrylic colors, each and every bottle is just 20 rupees. So I wanted to say again and again, investment here is very less and the profit is very high. You can invest very less amount of money. Okay, so I'll just show you, and when the final output is reached, I'll let you know how to sell it, where to reproduce these things and make it as a money. You can also teach children and help them learn about this. Okay, I'll start from the beginning. See, first the darker color on the top. Whenever we use acrylic painting, make sure that you take less amount of water in the brush and the color should be dark enough to portray bright. I'm starting with the darker color, just mixing it up. Each and every one of you can do this. It's just moving the hand from left to right. As we come down, we gradually move with the lighter shade. I have chosen a very, very simple picture just to show you as a demo because we have a less time and which should be more effective. When the output is there, we want an effective look, right? Yes, that's all the background. The background is already done. We want some space time. We should give some time for that background to get dried. Okay. It takes minimum of 1 minute. That's it. The picture is done. I'll tell you now what are the methods you can do this picture and make it as online sale. Okay, till it dries up, I'll talk with you. Okay, so I'll tell you something in Tamil also, so it will be easy for you to grab it, even if you're finding difficult. Okay, so how we can make it as money, I'll tell you. Okay, so do any picture that you want, any picture, okay, whatever you wish for, any picture you would like to do. And after doing it in this sheet, we have to frame it up. Okay, we have to frame it up. And the places I'll tell where you can sell over this. You can sell it in Amazon. So Amazon is a place where everyone knows, and a place where every kind of thing is sold. Yes. So in Amazon, you have to become a partner. For that, we have certain rules over there to become this. So you have to get that membership in Amazon, get a path for you in Amazon, and in that you can post all your pictures first. First, what we have to do, draw all the pictures, frame it up, and post a minimum of 5 to 10 pictures in the screen in Amazon. In Amazon, okay. So in that online, you have to post it. And when some persons like for it, they will be buying it. They will be asking, you have to send to them. That is one method. Same like this, we have it in Flipkart also. Okay, to sell this, I'm saying. Now to sell this product, we have to do it in Flipkart or Amazon. And one more thing we have, like what I have done this, you have to take a video of the picture, what you're doing, and send it as a course. We can sell this picture as a course also, as a drawing course. Now I'm teaching online. There are many courses nowadays as video. I don't know how many of you are aware about it. எத்தனை பேருக்கு அது தெரியும் தெரியல. பட் நம்ம இத மாதிரி நிறைய படங்கள் வரைஞ்சி என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு 5 பிக்சர்ஸ் சேர்த்து வரைஞ்சி வீடியோ எடுத்துட்டு அதை ஒரு கோர்ஸா மாத்தலாம். கேன்வாஸ் போர்ட் பெயிண்டிங் கோர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்ம ஒரு பிக்சட் ரேட் பிக்ஸ் பண்ணலாம். மேபி 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees பிக்ஸ். நீங்க வந்து கோர்ஸ் விற்கிறதா இருந்தா கம்மியா பிரைஸ் கோட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, less amount of money you have to quote, so that worldwide it will be spreading over the worldwide. We have an option for that in online. Onlineல கோர்ஸ் விற்கிறதுக்காகவே நிறைய பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் இருக்குது. We have many platforms to sell this course. Okay, drawing courses we have. So அந்த இடத்துல நீங்க போய் நீங்க அமேசான்ல கூட இருக்கும், நீங்க செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். Okay, check it. If you are really interested, you can contact me. I'll let you know all the courses. So you can sell your picture there, and the course is also there. நீங்க கோர்ஸ் விக்கிறப்ப என்ன லாபம் கிடைக்கும்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு போய் சேரும். உங்களோட புகழ் வந்து நிறைய பேருக்கு போகும். Plus you will get with less money you will get more people in contact. In business, one of the main thing is getting contact list, right? So you will get more people in doing courses. So நீங்க நிறைய pictures 5 to 10 pictures பண்ணிட்டு join it as together a single course as canvas painting course. You can join it and sell those courses. That is one method. Okay, and the second method is through Amazon or Flipkart. So these are the two ways. And the third one, the least and the super possible easy one is teaching. You can teach persons for a canvas board alone. It is not necessary that you should know painting. It is not necessary that you should know drawing much. You can do it on your own if you try more and more pictures. Okay, and if you are really interested. So நம்ம painting canvas board சொல்லி கொடுக்க போறாங்க ஒரு இடத்துல அப்படின்னா சென்னையில it costs for an A4 size paper, for a A4 size board, they will cost 2,500 rupees for a single board. Okay, that I'm just telling you all these things because you can also try all those things. நீங்க படிச்ச உடனே அதை வச்சு மட்டுமே நம்ம வாழ்க்கையில போகணும் அப்படி இல்லை. See, I did my ME degree. I worked as an assistant professor for minimum 5 years. And what happened? We are all girls, right? So there we get stuck anytime. So for some it goes on along as a career. But when we get stuck, don't worry. Something which is our passion will help us. So drawing is one of the most important thing, most interesting thing I would like to say. It will help you. So நீங்க வந்து இப்ப இந்த ஒரு canvas board நான் உங்களுக்கு in a minute I showed you, right? The same thing, if I show for a person for money, it is 2,500 rupees minimum. Okay, that is for A4 sheet. That is for only A4 size. And if the size of the board is bigger, the amount is also bigger. Okay, I don't know how much they learn about it. That and all is not a matter. It is all about business here. Okay, in Chennai particularly, I would like to say. So don't worry about this. You can also become an entrepreneur if you're really interested with this drawing. So meantime, it is dried. So I'll make the finishing look of the picture. So at the end, I would like to finish it up. There are little small rules to be followed while doing a canvas board. That's all. If you get into that, you'll be so much interested, and it in no time you can finish the picture and make it as a money. You can see initially, if you're finding difficult to go into Amazon platform, doing all those things, அது கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். அமேசான்ல போய் யாராவது இப்ப கேட்டுட்டு இருப்பானா, அவன் ஒரு அமௌண்ட் கேட்பான். கண்டிப்பா அமேசான் will ask us for money. Okay, he won't allow us to do simply. What they will tell, நீங்க 10 pictures sold பண்ணியாச்சா, எனக்கு அதுல ஒரு % of profit வேணும். They'll tell like that. It will happen, right? In all the places it will happen. So அது வேண்டாம் உங்களுக்கு அப்படின்னா, you can sell it in your nearby shop. First, you can start like, you can gift it for your friends. Friends க்கு first gift பண்ணலாம். So when they love that, they'll spread your work. Okay, and you can sell in the nearby fancy shops and all will be there. So there you can give your paintings and sell first. Like that, you can start your selling method of your work. Okay, not only this is canvas board. See, in malls and all, if we go buy a picture in mall, you must have seen. I don't know how many of you have seen that, but I'll tell you, really each and every picture will be at least minimum only 1,500 or 1,800 minimum. That also with a single shade. If a picture is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades like this, it will cost minimum of 3,000 rupees. We cannot get it all along in 1,000 rupees. Okay, if there is more than one shade in a picture, that's it. The amount is also again high. It doesn't matter how the picture looks. It doesn't matter how it is. It is all about the creative ideas, what you have done. Okay. So start doing canvas board painting. It is not like before. Nowadays, it is very less. As I said, the canvas sheets are very, very cost effective. You can do that. I just want to show a butterfly here. Don't think that with drawing what we can do. Yes. So that's all with the picture. Hope you must have loved it. It took only no time for me to finish the picture, right? Not even more than 5 minutes, I hope. So I have finished it. So this picture now I can rate it. I myself can rate it for rupees 2,800. Okay, it will cost, once it is framed, the outlook of the picture will cost 2,500 rupees minimum. So like this, it is more simple. You must have seen how I did it. It is more simple. So like this, you can do more pictures. You can create more pictures and sell it with your friends first. Then among the small shops, then you can move with Amazon, Flipkart. You can make it as a course. See, ஒரு picture தான் வரைறோம், but அதை நம்ம sell பண்ணலாம், frame பண்ணி வைக்கலாம், frame பண்ணி பெரிய பெரிய கடைகளுக்கு கொடுத்தோம்னா you'll get more money. And Amazonல நீங்க போடுறீங்க, Flipkartல போடலாம். There are many options. Okay, all the 3 options I have said you. So now the next one is same like this. We have Warli art. எத்தனை பேர் Warli art பத்தி கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்க? I don't know that. But still, I would like to say it is the most worldwide picture. It is a worldwide picture, okay? Warli art. அது வந்து அந்த மனுஷன் இருப்பான்ல, ஒரு 2 கை கால், அதுதான். even those who doesn't know drawing can do this. It is just all about lines, only lines. And Warli art rules that you have to learn, and then you can start doing the picture. Okay. So Warli art, here also I have just given the background and kept the board ready to show you, because it will take long time as it is a board again to dry up all very thoroughly. Okay, only if it is dried very thoroughly we can go with. So here with Warli art also I'll show you a small technique. So a small painting I'll show. These paintings, no, Warli art, a single girl. Now I'll show you here. Here I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. 5 girls and 4 girls and a single boy I have drawn here. Okay, but even if a single girl is standing here, it will be minimum 800 rupees in market. Okay, and if you make it as golden background, if it is a golden background, that's it. It is again 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It is depending upon the board size. It's all depending upon the board size. So I'll also show you about Warli art. I wanted to show you because it is very simple, and each and every student over there and even teachers who are there can try this for your kids, because it will be very, very interesting. It says some culture about the country. Okay, and it has certain patterns to do with. That alone we have to learn with Warli art. That's all, nothing else. No drawing, nothing. The colors, the shades, everything is your choice, and to make it as bright as possible. Okay, so I just wanted to give white color. I'll just show you in no time. When I'm doing even, you can see it is just lines only. It is all about lines. There is no much drawing over here. And we have certain borders to be given for this drawing. And the particular border தான் நம்ம கொடுக்கணும். நம்ம ஓனா கிரியேட் பண்ணி இதுல பண்ண முடியாது. And you can create your own culture here. But picture in the girl இப்படிதான் இருக்கணும்னா இப்படிதான் இருக்கணும். The girl should have a small small bun at the back. அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கணும். ஒரு கொண்டை போட்டிருக்கணும் கண்டிப்பா girl. Boyக்கு அப்படி இல்ல. And their hands and legs in certain shapes. இதெல்லாம் வந்து must in this drawing. Okay. இது வந்து நீங்க canvas boardலயும் பண்ணலாம். Normal drawing also you can do. But as an entrepreneur, I would like to say that you do it in canvas sheets or canvas board and sell it. I'll tell you, it will really worth so much. Okay. And if you even make it as a gift for anyone, it will be so much worthy. This is about Warli art. One of the easiest painting actually, but it costs much. நீங்க malls போனீங்க, இல்ல பெரிய பெரிய ஹோட்டல்ஸ் போனீங்க, இல்ல வேற எங்க big places எல்லாம் நீங்க போறப்போ you can notice, okay, long lengthy walls they must have painted this picture. These kind of pictures which say convey some information about the place. It will convey some information about the place. Like that it will be. ரொம்ப மாடர்ன் ஆர்ட்டோ இது என்ன புதுசா இருக்கு அப்படிலாம் நம்ம நினைப்போம். Nothing. It is actually very, very simple, other than following the certain rules of Warli art. These kind of paintings will really rate you so much. நீங்க பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா ஏதோ நீங்க பெரிய சாதனை படிச்ச மாதிரி எல்லாரும் will see you, because it is something different and unique from other pictures. And same picture, if you do it in normal paper, no, I'll tell you, they will rate it very simple. Oh, okay, what is this? Something, one picture is there, that's all. Like that it will be. But when it comes back with canvas board வந்து ஒரு காலத்துல எப்படி இருக்கும்னா canvas board painting இவ்ளோ இருக்கு அப்படி இருக்கும். But now as we are very much used with. It is very normal and very easy work. நம்மள பயம் காட்டுற அளவுக்குலாம் nothing is there. See, I'll give a gold coating now. So, see this, now it looks very normal, right? Very normal. I'll show you how the picture turns now. Many of you will not have idea about this. நீங்க நினைக்கலாம் இது என்னடா பிக்சர், சும்மா மனுஷன் கையும் காலையும் அசைச்சிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கலாம் அப்படிலாம் நினைக்கலாம். பட் இந்த பிக்சருக்கு அவ்வளோ வேல்யூ இருக்குது இன் மார்க்கெட். ஓகே, ஈவன் ஃபாரினர்ஸ் இங்க நம்ம ஊருக்கெல்லாம் வந்துட்டாங்கன்னா they will prefer these kind of pictures only. They wanted to do these kind of pictures. Yes, you can see now. See, I have given copper gold plating, and now you can also use different kind of golds are there. Different colors you can use. Instead of white, you can go with the colors also. It is not that you have to give only white, but normally they go with a dark background or a bright background and a contrast color for the boy or the girl, whatever we give. Now for borders, coming to borders, see, anytime you give border, certain rules are there for borders here in Worli art. And the rules மட்டும் தான் நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். இல்ல உங்க பிக்சர் கடையில நீங்க வித்தாலும் சரி, இது பண்ணாலும் சரி, they'll find out. Okay, it will be easy. Those who know, it is easy. It won't go for that range. So these kind of drawings நீங்க வந்து drawing வரைஞ்சு கத்துக்கிட்டு இருந்தாதான் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படியா அப்படின்னு கேட்டா இல்ல. You can draw it even if you don't know drawing because it is very simple. The designs and the color shades is your choice. This is my choice of coloring. So you can create your own choice of coloring for designs. Even these pictures can be customized in dresses. In dress, sarees, your chudidars, you must have seen these kind of paintings, right? I'll tell you how to paint that also. இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க ஒரு படம் stencil வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா போதும், you can do the whole saree. You can paint the full saree even. Okay, so there also நம்ம கடைக்கு போனா something different இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்குமே அப்படிதான் எப்பவுமே தேடுவோம். We always search for some unique things. So நீங்க அப்படி search பண்றப்போ இந்த மாதிரி pictures இருக்கப்போ it will look very bright and also unique. So இந்த மாதிரி pictures பண்றது it is not tough. Again and again I wanted to say it is very easy with less investment. You can earn a lot and do a lot with drawing. Okay, so that's all with Warli art. Above this, you can create some small designs you can put, but not much. Plain work தான் இருக்கும். இப்படி plain work தான் இருக்கும் Warli art. Colors நீங்க change பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, this golden work and all will be valued so much in the selling market. Okay, you can sell it for so much when it is plated golden. So this is the one which I wanted to show you. So that's all with canvas sheets. So both this one and this one, now I can sell it for, okay, I can sell these two pictures. If I frame this will go for minimum 2,500 rupees here. And this one I can make it for again 1,500. Okay, so like this, why I'm saying the money again and again, because don't worry that with drawing, don't think what you can do, what is all about drawing. Don't think like that. Drawing, we have more places to explore drawing in drawing. Okay, in drawing we have government jobs also. I don't know how many of you know that, but still we have government jobs every year. Once we get government jobs, that exams also you can write. For that we have certain courses to do with. And the courses la neenga panniyachna super government exam eldi you can work in fine arts colleges. Fine arts, no, in Chennai we have many fine arts colleges specialized for drawing even. So in those places you can do it. Okay, now I would like to show you some work up with glass painting. Glass painting எல்லாருக்குமே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நீங்க churchesல பார்க்கலாம், church glasses பார்க்கலாம். நிறைய houses இப்போ வந்து they have made it as a trend. Glass painting. Do you know how much they cost for that? Each and every glass painting. It is a very simple one. Okay, very simple one. They'll say it is exported, imported, this, that, everything they'll be saying. But it is very simple again. See, this is normal glass sheet. For a basic entrepreneur, you can start with a normal glass sheet and the glass colors with which you have to give the outline. இங்கேயும் நீங்க drawing தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்ல. Any picture you have with you, whatever picture you have with you, you can just take the picture. See here, I'll show you how to do. Okay, if anybody is not at all having an idea, you can learn from this. You take a normal picture, keep the glass sheet above the picture and just trace it with the tube that they have given. They'll give a tube. Everyone knows to keep mehendi, right? So அதே மாதிரி தான் மெஹந்தி எப்படி வைக்கிறோம் அதே மாதிரி தான் just use it over and put the outline and keep. And this outline should get dried for minimum 2 days. Okay, minimum 2 days, so that it will stay for a long time. Maybe one day illa or 8 hours la ungalku dry ஆகிடலாம். The outline will get dried, but உங்களுக்கு long time stay ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா 2 days you have to dry it up. சரிப்பா எனக்கு டிராயிங்லாம் வரைய முடியாது, இப்பெல்லாம் என்னால அவுட்லைன் பண்ண முடியாது, ஆனா எனக்கு கிளாஸ் பெயிண்டிங் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும், ஐ வாண்ட் டு டூ இட், கலர் இட் அண்ட் செல் இட் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க you can get these kind of boards. Okay, this is available in ready-made in shop. Ready-made picture outline ode, this is fiberglass. இது கீழ நீங்க இப்படி போட்டாலும் it won't break. This is available in shops nowadays. So இது மாதிரிலாம் முன்னாடி கிடையாது. Now we have plenty of work. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி pictures available இருக்கு. So நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி pictures வாங்கி அதை கலர் பண்ணி இதை frame பண்ணி you can sell it. You can sell or you can teach your other fellow persons near you, whatever it is. Okay, so these are the two methods with glass painting. And glass painting la vandu we have many various types. I couldn't show you all that now, but I'll show you a small part in this glass painting as we have less time to go with. Okay, I'll show you just how to color and the basic things how to color also I'll show you. So we get 10 shades or 12 shades like that we get. And one main thing you have to know, the basic thing is, first is take the outline of the picture, dry it for 2 days minimum so that it will stay for a long time. 2 days kandipa the outline dry aganu. Second thing, when you color, see, now I want to color this leaf, so I'm choosing green color and yellow color. Two colors I have choosing. Make sure you are not shaking the bottle this and that. Okay, if you are shaking, what will happen? Bubbles will come from here. Bubbles will come, and those places where bubbles get into the sheet will become a hole. Adu ota ottaya therinjidum. Color pandrappo theriyadu. Color dry anappo the picture will look ugly only. It won't look good. Okay, so don't shake the picture when you are coloring using glass colors. Glass colors now in our place now we are getting only this liquid colors. In glass colors also we have solid colors. சரியா, கொஞ்சம் கட்டியா உள்ள colors நமக்கு கிடைக்குது glassலயும், but not here all the time. அதுல வந்து two models இருக்கு, water based and solvent based. Always go with water based because அது கொஞ்சம் time எடுக்கும் dry ஆகிறதுக்கு, but still that will help you so much as a beginner. Okay, solvent based கொஞ்சம் யூஸ் பண்ண கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். So always go with water based. That is better for you. Okay, so I'll show you this also. Very slowly I have to move my hand, very slowly, without bubbles in the sheet. No bubbles to be placed, and fill all the places very slowly. See, it is very easy. You can put this glass painting even if you are going to build a new house. In all your windows, you can put your own glass painting. It is very easy and it will look very unique and different also. ரொம்ப ரிச்சா இருக்கும் நீங்க கிளாஸ் பெயிண்டிங் ஹவுசஸ்ல பண்ணி வச்சா. see, நீங்க கடையில போய் ஒரு சிங்கிள் பீஸ் ஆஃப் லாங் பீஸ் ஆஃப் கிளாஸ் வாங்கிட்டு full glass you can trace a picture. Okay, trace a picture. If you are not enough in drawing a picture, no problem, you can just trace out the picture. See, bubbles have formed. I'll show you. See, you can see, I'll keep it closer. There are bubbles like this. If bubbles are there like this, the picture at the end, what will happen? Once it is dried, hole will come. So just prick out all the bubbles if it is formed in your picture. Okay, இது வந்து பேசிக் டெக்னிக். நான் கிளாஸ் பெயிண்டிங் பண்ணேன், எனக்கு 2 daysல எல்லாம் வந்துடுச்சு, ஏனே புரியலப்பா அப்படின்னு சொல்றவங்களுக்கு இதுதான் ப்ராப்ளம். This will happen because if you put that if you paint with the bubble, நீங்க bubbles ஓடயே பெயிண்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு அப்படின்னா அது 2 daysல அப்படியே ரிமூவ் ஆகி வந்துடும். It won't stand there for a long time. That's the reason. Okay, see, from today's class you can learn what are the basic things where you can make a good specialized painting in drawing, and you can also start. Okay, நான் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு வரைக்கும் சொல்லிட்டேன். இதுதான் பேசிக் கிளாஸ் பெயிண்டிங்ல. you can try with a normal glass PHP paper. Okay, not PHP, sorry, it is OHP. Normal OHP paper வச்சு நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். If you're having glasses in your house, glass piece உங்க வீட்ல இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அந்த glass piece வச்சு any picture, எந்த picture உங்களுக்கு வரையணும்னு தோணுதோ அந்த picture வச்சு you just try it out. Okay, and now it is the turn for Apple. See, glass painting பண்றப்போ ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா இருக்கணும். இடத்த வந்து இப்படி இப்படி இந்த மாதிரி no, don't do that. Longer colors எடுத்து பண்ணக்கூடாது. You should do it very closely so that the colors will be very bright, and when you take it as a final product, it will look perfect. If bubbles are there, please pick out all the bubbles. It will spoil the picture at the end if you are keeping as such. நீங்க கிளாஸ் பெயிண்டிங்லாம் நீங்க கடையில கொடுத்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா செய்து உங்களுக்கு விற்கணும், ஓகே ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு செல் திஸ் கிளாஸ் பெயிண்டிங்ஸ் அப்படின்னா மினிமம் இட் டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் த பிக்சர் ஒன்லி. அண்ட் ஒன் மோர் திங் ஐ வில் சே, as entrepreneur நமக்கு ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம் என்ன அப்படின்னா டிராயிங்ல நம்ம தான் நம்ம பிக்சருக்கு மணி ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, இட்ஸ் இன் our hand, we will fix the rate what it is going to be. Okay, and எப்போ நமக்கு படம் வந்து ரொம்ப யூனிக்கா இருக்குதோ அண்ட் ரொம்ப கிரியேட்டிவா இருக்குதோ that time our picture will win all the hearts. So make sure you are creating unique and creative pictures. I'm moving little fast so that I can finish the session. So this is the method of doing. See here also I have mixed the colors yellow and orange. It is very rare to get glass painting with mixing of colors. Okay, but make sure there is no bubble. Even I have got 1 or 2 bubbles as I was little rushing up. But make sure there is no bubbles at all. And one more thing I would wanted to say in glass painting, a very important thing. See, as there is no time, I am not finishing the full picture. But see, you will get foil sheets like this. Okay, foil sheets. நம்ம ஃபுட் எல்லாம் wrap பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு ஷீட் கிடைக்குமே, அந்த ஷீட் தான் இது. அதை நான் வந்து க்ரஷ் பண்ணி எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கிறேன். ஓகே, those sheet what you have to do, இது எப்படி finish up பண்ணணும்னு சொல்றேன். பிக்சர் முடிஞ்ச உடனேயே keep it at the back like this. Okay, இப்போ கிடைக்குதா full 3D picture? You are getting the 3D view, right? இந்த மாதிரி கிடைச்சிடும். So full picture பண்றப்ப it will look very great and without any gaps, white gaps. நீங்க இப்படி பண்றப்ப you will get a very beautiful look of glass painting. இதை நீங்க கடையில அப்படியே கொடுத்துட்டா போதும், they will frame it beautifully for you where you can sell it on your own rate. Okay, you can sell. See, as I lifted up, the color is coming down. So I would like to say, once you finish the glass painting, make sure the color is filled in all the places. And don't lift here and there. See, my color has come down now as I lifted up to show you. Okay, so don't do that. And one more thing, bubbles shouldn't come. Okay, so with this, I'll wind up this glass painting also, because the same color I'm going to give here, and here it will be purple. Okay, there is no more change with this. So that's all with glass painting. Now the beautiful one, the most interesting one that I would like to show you is dress painting. Okay, நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே டவுட் இருக்கலாம், எப்படிடா dress paint பண்ணலாம், இது அப்படியே கலர் போகாதா? That is the main question everyone asks me every time. Color அது எப்படி போகாம இருக்கும் dressல இருந்து? It will not go. There is a technique for that. I'll show you. So the colors that we want for dress painting is fabric colors. Okay, fabric dress paint, dressல paint பண்றதுக்காகவே நமக்கு சில colors இருக்குது. That is this fabric colors. It is also called as acrylic colors. Okay, so now I have chosen a t-shirt for you first. T-shirt to show you a simple painting here. Okay, so in this t-shirt, what you have to do before painting any picture, first you have to place glass sheet under that. Okay, inside that you have to place some glass sheet. See, அதுக்கு அடியில நம்ம கிளாஸ் ஷீட் கண்டிப்பா வைக்கணும். நம்ம எந்த ட்ரெஸ் பெயிண்ட் பண்ணாலும் சரி, இப்ப சாரி பெயிண்ட் பண்றதா இருந்தாலும் யூ ஹேவ் டு பிளேஸ் கிளாஸ் ஷீட் ஆர் எனி வாட்டர் ப்ரூஃப் ஷீட். ஓகே, எதுக்காக இது பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, நம்ம இங்க பண்ற பிக்சர் பேக் சைட்ல போயிடக்கூடாது இல்லையா, பேக் சைட்ல போகக்கூடாது. ஸோ ஃபார் தட் வி ஆர் கீப்பிங் திஸ் கிளாஸ் ஷீட் இன்சைட். ஓகே, கீப் இட் இன்சைட். அண்ட் உங்களுக்கு எந்த இடத்துல பிக்சர் வேணுமோ அந்த இடத்துல கரெக்டா பிளேஸ் பண்ணணும். அதர்வைஸ் இட் வில் கம் டு ஆல் ஓவர் யுவர் ட்ரெஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ இப்படி வச்சுட்டு பின் இட் டைட். ஓகே, பின் இட் டைட்லி so that it doesn't move. பின் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஓகே, நவ் இப்பமும் நீங்க வந்து டிராயிங் தெரிஞ்சாதான் மேம் இது பண்ண முடியும், இதை போய் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி தரீங்களே அப்படியெல்லாம் இல்ல. இட் இஸ் நாட் தட் யூ வாண்ட் டு நோ டிராயிங். we get stencils like this. இந்த மாதிரி stencils நிறைய கிடைக்கும் ஷாப்ல, இப்ப அவைலபிளா இருக்குது. we get different types of stencils. okay, so நீங்க அந்த மாதிரி stencils வாங்கி உங்களுக்கு என்ன stencil வேணுமோ வாங்கிக்கலாம். since it is t-shirt, I am using a single picture. இதே இது நீங்க சாரில எல்லாம் பண்றதா இருந்தா நீங்க பார்டருக்கு இந்த மாதிரி stencil வாங்கி ஃபுல்லா பெயிண்ட் பண்ணிட்டே போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம், அவ்வளவுதான். சாரி இத மாதிரி பெயிண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு மேல கொஞ்சம் glitters போட்டீங்கன்னா more fancy it will be. I'll show you now how to do it. Okay, now for this t-shirt I'm going to place this butterfly here and I'm going to choose a sponge. See, color பண்றப்போ நிறைய methods of coloring இருக்கு, but I'll show you a simple one. Okay, so I'm going to choose a sponge and choose a color for that. Maybe it is black or we'll go for red. Okay, we'll go for a black color butterfly with some glitters over it. So what we have to do, see like this, you take the color, put the sponge in a tray or set a color, whatever it is okay. Just take the color like this and press hard. stencil வந்து ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா ஹேண்டில் பண்ணணும். stencil மூவ் ஆகிர கூடாது. if it is moving உங்க பிக்சர் வந்து ஸ்பாயில் ஆயிடும், புரிஞ்சுதா? so stencil மூவ் ஆக கூடாது. okay, no way, don't change the stencil here and there. keep it stiff over a place. உங்களுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்குன்னா stencil மேல செலோ டேப் போட்டு நீங்க ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிடலாம், ஒரு இடத்துல ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, அண்ட் இதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ற கலர்ஸ் வந்து ஃபேப்ரிக் கலர்ஸ். நீங்க கடையில கேட்டா கிடைக்கும். it is only 20 rupees per bottle. okay, so it is only 20 rupees. the picture is done. அவ்வளவுதான், முடிஞ்சிச்சு. make sure before taking the picture, make sure நம்ம கலர் எல்லா இடமும் ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆயிருக்கா, ஈவனா இருக்குதா, நம்ம ஈவனா ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணிருக்கோமா எல்லா இடமும். ஏன்னா ஒரு ஸ்டென்சில் வச்சுட்டு எடுத்த அப்புறம் திருப்பியும் வைக்க முடியாது, வச்சா நமக்கு பெர்ஃபெக்ட் லுக் கிடைக்காது. ஓகே, so before taking the stencil, make sure it is spreaded evenly. and before taking the stencil also, இப்ப நான் கலர் பண்ணியாச்சு, எடுக்கிறப்போ ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா எடுக்கணும். இல்ல விட்டுடுங்க, உங்களுக்கு அது முடியாதுன்னா விட்டுடுங்க, கொஞ்சம் காஞ்ச அப்புறம் எடுக்கலாம். ஓகே, very slowly and steadily. see, got the picture? Now the picture is on the board. yes, now this is one method of doing. okay, one more method I'll tell you. We have time, right? In under 3 minutes, I'll just show you one more method also. See, above this, you can put some fabric glue. Hope everyone knows about fabric glue. See, I want to put some glitters now for the dress. Okay. To show glitters here and there, what I'm going to do, now fabric glue konja apply pannidren. You will get all these things in the market. You can design your own dress, sarees and chudidars. You can put all over the chudidar also. You can design your dupatta too. Okay, now spread slightly. Spread the fabric glue so that the glitter will spread all over the space. எனக்கு லைட்டா glitter இருந்தா போதும். See, I have got glitters here. So இந்த glitter என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, oh, okay. Just spread it. Take the glitter. Just நீங்க சும்மா போட்டாலே போதும். See, I'll tell you what to do after this. Every one of you can try this in your home. You can try with your mom's dress, sarees, in your old dupattas first. Okay. Stencil நீங்க இப்ப கடையில போய் வாங்கணுமா மேம், அதுக்கு ₹1 கொடுக்கணுமா அப்படிலாம் இல்ல. வீட்டுல கல்யாண கார்டு எல்லாம் வருது இல்ல, கல்யாண கார்டு. In that you will get more stencils. Check பண்ணி பாருங்க next time. When you get married, invitation cards, give 1 or 2 minutes, let it dry up. And the invitation cards நமக்கு நிறைய stencils கிடைக்கும். So in that you can cut that and take and use that also. See, now I'll show you how it is. See, can you see? Yes, like this. See, this is my choice. You can color the picture on your own with your beautiful creative ideas and with beautiful colors. You can color. Okay. And if I have time, I would like to show something else also. The same dress. See here. Now we get pom-poms like this. These are called as pom-poms. Okay. If you want to design the full shirt now, make sure you are moving the glass sheet down in the down part as I'm going to do it in the down part now. Okay. So here I'm going to put a flower down. So I'll show this alone. See, for the flower, I'm going to stem with green color. See, normal painting the normal fabric color. You can paint it in the bottom. And just stick the flowers. Okay. See, stick the flowers. All these pom-poms, you can stick around it. The glue வந்து இதுல போயிடுமா மேம் அப்படிலாம் கேட்டா கண்டிப்பா போகாது. You even if you wash, it won't go. Okay, it will be staying there for a long time. See, that's all. My t-shirt is designed now. You can put more flowers like this here. Fully down part you can design with more flowers and a butterfly, whatever it is. Hope you must have enjoyed my session. And one more thing, finally I wanted to say sorry. I wanted to finish this fabric painting with this. And I'll say you, நீங்க இப்படி பண்ணிட்டு ஏன் அது போகாதுன்னா, the main reason is you have to, இது முடிச்ச உடனே ஒரு நாள் ஃபுல்லா இது காயணும். ஓகே, ட்ரெஸ் வந்து ஒரு நாள் ஃபுல்லா காயணும். ஈவன் திஸ் பார்ட் ஆல்சோ ஒன் டே ஃபுல்லா ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு அப்சைட் டவுன், see this part அப்சைட் டவுன் நீங்க எடுத்து டிஷர்ட் அப்சைட் டவுன் எடுத்துட்டு அயன் பண்ணிடுங்க. நல்லா ஹாட்டா வச்சு அயன் பண்ணிடுங்க. Okay, even if you are not ironing up and if you are leaving as such, color உடனே போகாது, கொஞ்ச நாள்ல போயிடும். If you want it for a long time, please do iron it up before you use the dress. Okay, that's all with fabric painting also. நீங்க இது வந்து நான் ஒரு சின்ன பார்ட் தான் பண்ணி காட்டியிருக்கேன். நீங்க இத மாதிரி சுடிதார், sarees, okay, dupatas, whatever you wish for, you can do. இந்த glitters எல்லாம் போகாது. It won't go. Okay. So with this, I'll wind up. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me.
Ma'am, you explained clearly. Thank you very much, ma'am. Vote of thanks. Respected resource person, dear colleagues and students. First, I thank Mrs. Frida for her very innovative, interesting and useful demonstration and explanation on fabric painting, canvas painting and glass painting. This webinar has given us the realization that each one of us can also become an entrepreneur in diverse fields. On behalf of myself and everyone present here, I thank you, madam, for your beautiful presentation. I also thank all the faculty members and the students for your active participation. Thank you, one and all.
Ma'am, I would like to share a small video for 1 minute. If you could,
Okay,
if you have
okay.
time, you could see.
Yes, yes.
Just a
Okay.
second. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. So thank you so much for your patience and waiting for a long time and watching my video too. Thank you everyone once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We'll wind up. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.